Shall we delve into some saucy Elden Ring hate today? I think so. Elden Ring looks terrible. Miyazaki finally exposed?
Looks like another genetic open-world WARPG. Yikes!
Kinda looks like Ghost of Tsushima with PS3 graphics. Burn. Good lord, Elden Ring looks awful. Looks barely last gen. After watching that gameplay video, no one should be surprised. Let me go over that one more time. After watching, because this is literally like the elitist type of people be writing this shit, you know. After watching that gameplay video, no one should be surprised how awful, drab, and boring that game looks. Namco being involved should have been the first red flag. Looks like they repurposed the whole blessed unused engine for Elden Ring. Drab and boring is the official art style from Software. It's set to be the first next-gen game to run at 144p. Looks about right for something having George R. Martin involved.
Phew! Hopefully this is the main game the internet memes now for the bad graphics. Leave Halo alone!
A response to drab and boring is the official art style from Software. Yeah, from what I've seen, they hate using any color. Did y'all watch the right trailer? There's more color in this trailer than any previous From Software games. I still have no fucking clue why people were excited for this, even before the trailer. Neither do I, but assuming because Martin's name is attached to it. Not that From Software has any fans. They couldn't possibly have any fans given they've made Dark Souls, Bloodborne, Demon Souls, Sekiro. 3 Dark Souls games, totally no fans. It's only because of George R. Martin. Those From Software get good fans. Urgh. Looks too similar to Dark Souls. Would have liked to see a RPG with NPCs, basically Dark Souls combat with Witcher story.
Is this a real screenshot of a Dark Souls game?
Yup. Early area in Dark Souls 2. All of From Software games have areas in the distance that look bad like this. This is just gnaringly bad. It's the next Cyberpunk 2077 of video game fails! Dear Lord indeed.